Welcome to my local reviews, where the reviews are hardcore. Today's review is over a Gatorade flavor, Gatorade Frost Tropical Mango. Oh yeah, we're getting tropical with it today. Tropical Mango. Alright, here we go. Alright. Yep, okay. Wow, that's a strong smell. Oh yeah, that's mango. It's not bad. It's kind of hard to explain. It's mango and water. You know, I mean, how do you explain that? It's good. I don't know, I mean, it has a weak mango taste, but it's good. I don't know, mango juice. There you go. Instead of orange juice, makes you some mango juice. I don't know if they sell that, but yeah, there you go. Get you some mango juice, put the name Tropical right above it, and here it is in a bottle, already ready for you. Goes like $1 or something. Anyway, that's pretty good. Not bad at all. I've definitely had worse Gatorade flavors. This is not too bad. Anyway, that's it for today. Just remember, whatever you do in life, keep it hardcore.